ओके, वेलकम टू टेल्स ऑफ लव इंटरव्यू गाइस। और आज मैं बात कर रही हूँ रश्मि मविन कुर्वे से, जो कि बैंगलोर में है। एनिमल एक्टिविस्ट एक बहुत छोटा सा वर्ड होगा उनको डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए, क्योंकि वो इतना अच्छा काम कर रही है वहां पे। उन्होंने अपनी कॉर्पोरेट जॉब तक छोड़ दी ये एनिमल्स के लिए काम करने के लिए, बर्ड्स कंजर्वेशन, नेचर कंजर्वेशन, और सबसे बड़ी बात कि फुल टाइम काम कर रही है इस फील्ड में। तो आइए मिलते हैं रश्मि से। रश्मि, वेलकम to Tales of Love interview.
Thank
सबसे
you.
पहले
Thanks, Preeti.
सबसे पहले ये बताइए रश्मि की थॉट आपके मन में कहाँ से आया कि मुझे इस स्पेस में कुछ आगे बढ़ चढ़कर काम करना है।
Sure, definitely, Preeti. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to be on this channel to create more awareness among people why animals coexist in this habitat, why we have to coexist among and also share our habitat with animals in this planet. I started this as a career from past 8 years. Earlier, I was into corporate job and I was more passionate into conserving and rescuing of animals. But due to several personal things, I couldn't take this up as a full time. So I always did it on a weekends and whenever I found time in my
ओके,
life. So
हमारे हमारे व्यूअर्स की अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए रश्मि, आपको उस टाइम पे जब आपने क्विट करा जॉब अपनी, आपकी कितनी सैलरी थी?
I was drawing close to 1.5 lakhs per month.
माय गॉड, कमेंडेबल।
So so my intention was not to earn more or something like that, but I always wanted to dedicate some time for what I actually wanted to do. I wanted to carry on with what I was passionate about. So my husband Kapil Mavinkuve was the main support and background for helping me out to take up my passion as
Husbands,
a
we need
career.
husbands like Kapil actually. We really
Yeah,
do.
definitely.
दैट्स रियली स्वीट
Definitely.
ऑफ हिम। उन्होंने कहा नहीं है क्या, तुम 1.5 लाख की नौकरी छोड़ के तुम अब ये एनिमल वेलफेयर का काम करोगी?
No, and Kapil is also passionate about conserving and rescuing animals. So we both have that same bonding. So that helped us to take it forward in a systematic way.
ओके, तो फिर आपने क्या, फिर वन फाइन डे आपने क्विट करा, एंड हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट? मतलब आप वीकेंड्स पे तो कर ही रहे थे, फिर आपने किस तरह से
Right.
आगे इसको फुल टाइम करा?
As I said, on a weekends and whenever I found time, I used to volunteer in several NGOs which are into dog shelters, urban wildlife rescue centers. I used to work as a volunteer. So my passionate was getting more positive in that way. But at the same time, I had few financial commitments and personal commitments, so I was not able to quit my job and take it up as a full-time career. So 8 years back, I had a detailed discussion with Kapil and I told, see, this is the time I just want to just quit the corporate world and I want to take up my passion as my career now. So that's when Kapil also joined hands and I started up in a full-time career. I was also associated with a couple of NGOs before. So I learned a lot of things from the NGO, like how to treat a dog, how to rescue snakes and urban wildlife and lot many things.
आपने स्नेक्स
So
तक रेस्क्यू किए हुए हैं, स्नेक्स तक आपने
yeah,
रेस्क्यू किए हुए हैं।
right.
बहुत बड़ी
So
बात।
it's not just restricted to one animal. So I am passionate about all animals on this earth. So I also rescue
आपको डर
domestic
नहीं
as
लगा
well as
कभी?
urban wildlife.
डर नहीं लगा कभी? मतलब हम जैसे स्नेक्स को देख के डर जाते हैं, और सबसे पहले हमारा रिएक्शन होता है, ह्यूमन रिएक्शन, कि हम उसको मारें। मतलब मारेगा पहले तो बच के
Right,
भाग जाएं।
right.
और अगर
That's the
लेकिन
general
वो
tendency.
यूजुअली हिट एनिमल्स, जो जो
Right.
रेप्टाइल्स होते हैं और स्नेक्स होते हैं, उनको वो मारते हैं। तो आपको कभी डर नहीं लगा?
Definitely. Even I always didn't have that personal touch experience in rescuing the urban wildlife when it comes to snakes, lot of birds, mammals, and other animals. But as I said, I was associated with few of the organizations wherein I could overcome that fear.
Okay,
I had
okay.
that special bonding built up, and the love towards them actually grew more when I started associating, closely getting
Okay.
associated with them.
तो रश्मि, आपको इन एनजीओ से काम, आप वॉलंटियर करती थी या आपको कुछ मतलब यू वर पेड आल्सो एट द सेम टाइम व्हाइल फॉलोइंग योर
Um,
पैशन?
it was both. I was volunteering for few years,
ओके,
and I was also worked as an employee in for some time.
ओके, ओके, वंडरफुल। तो किस तरह का रिएक्शन आपको लोगों से मिलता था जब आपने, आपके घर में बाकी लोगों ने तो बोला होगा ये तो पागल हो गई है, ऐसा कुछ हुआ?
Yeah.
1.5 लाख की नौकरी
Yes.
छोड़ के ये तो कुत्ते बिल्लियों के पीछे जा रही है।
Yeah. Few of my family members and also friends, they were like, "What's wrong with you?" And I was into HR profession, so they were like, "What is this drastic change in you? Why do you want to just move out of the good fat salary, and why do you want to do up a charity work at this young age?" And also, when I shared few photographs of me rescuing and handling few animals, they were like, "Huh, she is like completely mad." Okay, so I started spending more time with animals than with humans.
हाँ,
So that's when people assumed that she is completely
आपने
going
ना
mad.
उनको बोलना था कि जब तुम्हारे घर में कभी सांप घुस आएगा ना तो मुझे ही बुलाओगे तुम लोग।
Ha, we have got many calls like that when snakes have entered into my friend's place, and that's when they got panicked and they called up Rashmi. Thank God you are a friend, so please come over
एग्जैक्टली,
quickly and
इट्स अ
please
टैलेंट,
rescue
इट
the
इट
snake.
रियली इज अ टैलेंट। मतलब आई रियली होप कि इंडिया में इस चीज को और पीपल रिकग्नाइज दिस, दैट दिस इज नॉट नॉर्मल। हम लोग कर
Right.
सकते हैं, नहीं कर सकते? इट्स रियली यूनिक टैलेंट एंड इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग कि आप एनिमल्स को, और वो भी सांप और इन जैसे जिनके बारे में हम लोग सोचते भी घबराते हैं, आप उन्हें रेस्क्यू करते हो। तो रश्मि, आपकी जर्नी कैसी रही है अभी तक? हाउ हैज बीन योर जर्नी? एंड
There is, see, in any profession, there will be ups and downs. So there are a lot of challenges. When we go out for rescues, people think that why is, and moreover, you don't find a lot of female, especially females, rescuing snakes, birds, and mammals in the society.
ओह,
So they'll have this
अच्छा,
weird, weird, what to tell, reaction seeing a female rescuing a snake or a bird. They'll tell, "Ma'am, are you also a rescuer?" Yes, definitely.
अच्छा ऐसे भी
And
होता है? वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग।
yeah,
मतलब उसमें भी फीमेल रेस्क्यूअर्स कम हैं, आप कह रहे हैं? मतलब होते ही नहीं है,
right. There are
रेशियो
a
इज
lot of
वेरी लेस।
yes.
ओके,
When
वेरी
compared to
इंटरेस्टिंग।
male, the ratio is quite less.
ओके, तो अच्छा, वो तो आपका अर्ली सेक्सिज्म से आपने डील करा वहां पे वर्क प्लेस पे।
Yeah.
बट एक्चुअली देखा जाए तो इन ये सब बातें मैटर भी नहीं करती हैं जब आपका पैशन
Correct.
इतना स्ट्रांग है। तो किस तरह के चैलेंजेस थे आपने जब शुरू में, आप मतलब व्हेन यू गो आउट इन द फील्ड, आप कैसे लोगों को एजुकेट करती हैं, कैसे लोगों को आप बताते हैं कि आप क्या काम कर रहे हैं? मतलब लोग कहते हैं ऐसा भी कुछ होता है, पीपल डोंट नो, दे आर
Right.
नॉट अवेयर। सो हाउ डू यू मेक
Correct.
देम अंडरस्टैंड?
See, my main intention is not just rescuing of animals. It's also equally important for a rescuer to educate the crowd, to educate people like how important. I'll take an example of rescuing a snake. So, snakes plays an important role in balancing the nature. See, when I take an example of a rat snake is very important to be somewhere around the people because it helps in maintaining the minimum of rodents. Rat snakes mainly consume, as I said, the name indicates it consumes more of rodents and other things. So the rodents will be kept minimum. In this way, we can have an ecological balance in nature.
करेक्ट।
So people get scared when the first reaction is when they spot a snake, they get scared.
Yeah,
And
and they start
instead of
hitting.
correct, the first thing is the more people gathering, the more advice they get is to just kill the snake.
Right,
They're very
absolutely.
scared.
Yeah.
So we So whenever we rescue a snake, we also educate people that it is also very important to share our habitat with the other animals. They also have the equal rights to stay on this planet. So we give, and also we help them identify various snakes so that they'll have the minimum knowledge, like which are venomous and non-venomous.
Okay.
So instead of killing a snake, we also share a contact details. So they can approach us 24/7.
तो
So they
रश्मि,
can give
अगर
us a
जैसे
call
कभी,
anytime.
जैसे आपने बताया अभी, अगर किसी के घर में ऐसे कोई स्नेक आ जाता है या ऐसे कोई एनिमल जो यूजुअली अर्बन एरिया में नहीं रहते हैं, तो वो सबसे पहले उनको क्या करना चाहिए? कहीं पे भी, सिर्फ बैंगलोर में नहीं, किसी भी सिटी में सबसे पहला क्या कदम उठाना चाहिए?
See, one thing is people should not get panicked. I know it's a general reaction that whenever they spot any unusual animal in their surrounding, people get panicked. Instead, they should also understand that why the animal has landed in their surrounding. So you should also give them an opportunity. Say, for example, if they spot something unusual, let them take a step back. Let them contact the nearest forest department or any local rescuers or any NGOs associated with such rescues. And they can have a distance, they can stand in a distance and keep a check on it. And surely the forest department or the rescuers or the NGO will
ये हर
definitely
सिटी
reach
में,
on the spot.
ये
Yes,
हर सिटी में
there.
अवेलेबल है? ओके, और ये
Yes,
रेस्क्यूअर्स
forest
की कोई लिस्ट
department, I
है,
think.
पब्लिकली लिस्टेड कोई नंबर्स हैं कहीं पे, कुछ ऐसा है जहाँ पे लोग
See,
जा सकते हैं, बात कर सकते हैं?
according to my understanding, forest department exists in all the throughout Karnataka, right, or throughout India. So they can definitely, and the forest department, you can call up the just dial or any numbers, and they will definitely share you
ओके,
the contact details of forest
ओके,
department. And there are a lot of NGOs which are associated to certain rescues. So you can keep those numbers handy and you can reach out to the rescuers to take a
ओके।
quick action.
तो रश्मि, लॉकडाउन में आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसे रहा, जब एनिमल्स को सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत रही है, आसपास उनके इंसान, मैनकाइंड ऑलमोस्ट मतलब नेग्लिजिबल रहा है, तो उनको भी बड़ा कठिन दौर से गुजरना पड़ा होगा। तो हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस इन द लॉकडाउन रेस्क्यूइंग एनिमल्स और यू नो परफॉर्मिंग योर रोल?
See, in lockdown, it is very difficult for each and every family member. They might have faced a lot of situations, and few of the families have lost one or the other thing in this pandemic. So I would definitely pray that we come out of all this situation quickly. At the same time, during this lockdown, the animals have faced much more difficulty or challenges during this lockdown. Because see, there are a lot of eateries, bakeries, restaurants, and other small shops
Exactly.
which feed stray animals like dogs, cats, cows, and other things, right? They get something or the other which is left over, and few animal lovers, they definitely feed picking up from the restaurants. So when all this is closed, so most of these stray dogs, stray cats are facing a lot of difficulties because they are unable to find food from all these things which are getting closed.
Right.
So during this time, Share Habitat, I represent from Share Habitat. It's an NGO. We mainly concentrate on rescuing and rehabbing of urban wildlife. At the moment, we are we have an association only in Bangalore, but we also have thinking about having more branches throughout India so that we reach out to more animals and
Okay.
we reach, to a large number. This is our main motto.
तो शेयर
But we
हैबिटेट
are,
में कितने आपके टीम मेंबर्स हैं?
at the moment, we have a lot of volunteers who are associated with it. We just started up this year, so we are trying to build it in a much better way.
Okay.
We're doing it gradually.
तो अभी
So
पैन इंडिया आप कैसे एक्सपैंड करेंगे इसको, क्योंकि यू आर बेस्ड इन बैंगलोर, हाउ विल यू एक्सपैंड इट पैन इंडिया?
see, at the moment, what we are concentrating is we are trying to have, anyways, we will not be having face-to-face interaction during this pandemic. So what we have started up with, we are having a lot of webinars conducted. We are trying to educate a lot of people located in apartments, lot of people, lot of school children. We are educating how it is very important for people to feed animals during this lockdown. How important it is to feed. See, might be their contribution is very less. If
Right.
they can feed one meal a day for a dog, it will definitely filling the stomach, and also it will not go in search of food.
Hmm.
So we are avoiding a lot of challenges during this. So we are trying to have a lot of webinars conducted, and we're educating more people on how important it is to feed stray animals. So a lot
Okay.
of people have showed positive response, and we have formed a WhatsApp group, and a lot of people have come forward, and they have started feeding animals during this period.
अच्छा, आप कैसे उनको समझाती हैं? मतलब प्लीज मुझे भी बताइए ना, मेरे यहाँ पे बहुत लोग हैं समझते नहीं
See,
है।
definitely. When all this, as I said, all the eateries and restaurants are closed, the dogs are starving, right? They're not finding food.
राइट।
So they go in search of food, and they'll have a lot of quarrels among them, among the dogs. And they will start attacking few other animals to
यस,
ease their hungry.
करेक्ट।
So all these things can be avoided. There are a lot of instances wherein dog attacks another animal to consume as a food. So all those things can be avoided. And also there will be a lot of groups forming and quarreling. They'll start fighting. So all those things can be avoided if
ओके,
they can
तो
get
आप
at
ये
least
सब
minimum of
आप
a meal.
वर्बली मतलब समझाती हैं, आप लोगों को समझते हैं वो?
Yes. So we have to give a lot of
खुशी हुई मुझे
examples to them.
सुनकर कि लोग समझते हैं। ऐसा नहीं है लोग समझते नहीं है, वैसे अगर एफर्ट किया जाए तो डेफिनेटली मैं मानती हूँ इस बात को। मतलब मैंने भी अपने यहाँ पे अपनी रेजिडेंशियल कॉलोनी में काफी चेंजेस देखे हैं। खैर दैट इज फॉर सम अदर टाइम, राइट नाउ वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन रश्मि। सो रश्मि, अभी कोविड-19 की जितनी भी केसेस हुए होंगे, उनके पेट्स अबैंडन हुए हैं या उनके हैव दे लॉस्ट देयर पेरेंट्स?
See, during the last year lockdown, right, we found lot of breed dogs which were abandoned by the pet parents, assuming that dogs do spread COVID. So that was just the wrong assumption which the pet parents had. And we found, and we have rescued a lot of dogs, especially during the last year lockdown. So there were a lot of animals which were abandoned. So we started creating more awareness that animals don't spread COVID, and that's when we found a little less percentage of abundance of pets
दिस
on the
ईयर।
streets.
हम्म।
Yeah,
ओके।
and during this lockdown, during the second wave especially, we can find a lot of families in Bangalore who have been affected by COVID, and the situation is quite like stressful for them. They will definitely need physical and mental what to tell rest for some
या
time to recover themselves. During this time, they won't be able to. They'll be quarantined at home, and they won't be able to step out of the house for their safety and also for the safety of the others. So, how would pet finish their regular business like peeing and pooping inside the house, which they were always doing it outside the
आउटसाइड।
house?
या
Yeah, so they will definitely not be peeing and pooping. They'll have a lot of stress and anxiety during this period.
एब्सोल्युटली।
So we came out with a lot of calls requesting for help. So how do we take this up when we are quarantined? How do we
या
make our pets more comfortable? So that's when we Share Habitat came out with a homestay boarding concept. So we take in pets, families who are affected with COVID, and we take care of their pets. We provide them meals, their regular activities, their regular walks, exercises, whatever is needed. We are providing it, and meantime, the families will have a stress-free situation, and this way it is helping them to recover quickly,
आर
and they
यू
are not
डूइंग दिस?
panicked.
Are you doing this free of cost or you charging an amount? कुछ
No,
आप
we are charging to a minimum cost. So
okay,
that again, and one more thing, whatever the amount which we generate from the boarding, majorly we are contributing again back to our rescues and other animal welfare initiatives.
very
So
nice.
might be we are using it to the feeding of these stray animals, our rescue work. We also distributed 100 water bowls so that we can, people
Yes.
can contribute filling water for these stray animals in front of their house. So they can
Mhm.
place a water bowl in their balconies, in the yard. So lot of other initiatives.
What is the water hole drying up issue जो कि आप अपने मतलब काम से एड्रेस कर रही हैं? What is that? Can you explain a little?
Yeah, definitely. So in Bengaluru, in near South Bangalore mainly, we have a main Turhalli forest. That's a reserve forest. So from past 8 years, we have been contributing water. Contributing in sense, we are filling up the water holes inside the forest premises. We are taking permission from the forest department and using the water tankers. We get this filled on a regular basis so that the animals. We do this only during the summer.
Okay.
So the wildlife inside the forest are not having a difficult situation in search of water. So the water holes are filled from us so that
Okay.
they can thirst the east. And there were situations in Turali forest wherein we had a lot of forest fires going on.
Rashmi, you have no,
So
I'm actually interrupting you to actually compliment you. You have no idea what you're doing to the animals. I mean, किसी की प्यास बुझाना कितनी बड़ी बात है. वो खुद तो मांग नहीं सकता कभी पानी. खुद तो वो कुछ मतलब ना खाना मांग सकता
correct,
ना पानी मांग सकता है. और आप उसके लिए मतलब टैंकर बुला के एक स्पेशली एक बेजुबान के लिए उसको पानी पिलाने का काम करना बहुत ही, मैं कह रही हूँ कि कमेंडेबल है. और आप कर रही हैं, इसके लिए आपको मुबारकबाद कि आप ये थॉट भी आपके माइंड में आता है. आप लोग, आपकी पूरी टीम को मैं कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना चाहती हूँ कि आप ये काम कर रहे हैं. आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं.
thank you. Thanks, Preeti.
No,
This
it's
will
really,
motivate us to perform
नो
much better.
एब्सोल्युटली. एक्चुअली टेल्स ऑफ लव का मेरा मोटिव और टेल्स ऑफ लव बनाने का मकसद ही यही है कि आप जैसे लोगों को मोटिवेट किया जाए ताकि आपको देखकर और लोग सामने आए, इंस्पायर हों और एनिमल वेलफेयर के लिए काम करें, जो कि हर आदमी को, हर ह्यूमन को करना चाहिए अपने लेवल पे. तो आप तो वैसे भी एक टीम बनाकर काम करती हैं, तो आप तो और भी लोगों को मतलब एक तरह से आप टीचर हैं, गुरु हैं उनकी. तो कंग्रेचुलेशंस रश्मि. एंड एक बात बताइए, कभी आप मन करा कभी किसी को रेस्क्यू करा हो तो यार ये सांप अच्छा लग गया, घर लेके चलती हूँ इसको क्यूट लग रहा है बड़ा ऐसा कभी हुआ है? कोई 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 डॉग, कोई पपी?
Mm,
मेरे को तो रोज सड़क पे मतलब अगर कोई क्यूट सा नजर आता है मेरा दिल टूट जाता है कि मैं घर नहीं ले जा सकती. आई ऑलरेडी हैव टू पेट्स. तो कभी आपके मन में आता है कि इसको घर ले चलती हूँ मैं, आई शुड पेट दिस बेबी?
yeah, there are a lot of instances wherein we have carried a few domestic animals like calf, rescued calf, and hen, and
you vegetarian?
chicken. Like, yes, I am a vegetarian. So we have carried them to certain extent. We also raise them if they are too young, and again we put them up for an adoption. There are a lot of families who have adopted dogs, so they're having a very good life going ahead now.
ओके, वंडरफुल रश्मि. आई थिंक आई रियली होप ये कॉन्वर्सेशन हमारी लोग देखने के बाद आपको और लोग
Yeah,
अप्रोच.
we want more people to come forward,
यस
and
एब्सोल्युटली
we
प्लीज.
want more people to support on animal welfare rescues, and whatever small things which they can contribute towards the animals, they should definitely do that. This will
एब्सोल्युटली.
make a big impact to the animal world.
बिल्कुल, मैं भी इस वीडियो के माध्यम से सब लोगों तक ये मैसेज पहुंचाना चाहूंगी जो रश्मि ने अभी बोला कि प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड. किसी भी कैपेसिटी में कुछ भी छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता है, बट करिए जरूर क्योंकि ये हम सबकी
Yeah,
कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है टू एक्चुअली वर्क इन द एनिमल वेलफेयर फील्ड. क्योंकि हम नहीं करेंगे तो और कौन करेगा उनके लिए, शायद इससे बड़ी बात नहीं.
yeah. Correct. I request more people to come forward and contribute in whatever way they can. Nothing is big or small. So I would definitely they want to reach out to me for any other help related to any of the rescues or anything, they can definitely reach out to us. You can also share our contact number as well. So can I share
Yes,
those
please
details?
go ahead. Please go ahead.
So our Share Habitat contact number is 988-696-8822. So you can reach out to us for any of the urban wildlife rescues, domestic rescues, anything related to boarding, or you can definitely volunteer us and join our hands so that it will motivate us, and we'll have a together learning.
Wonderful, Rashmi. I am very sure people will join you. And thank you for chatting up with me, and thank you for coming on Tales of Love. I really hope that we're able to promote love and only love. Let there be more love, guys. Let there be
Yes,
more reasons to love. Let's not choose hate. Let's choose love.
yes.
Thank you,
Thanks,
guys.
Preeti.
Thank you
Thanks
for
for
watching.
giving me an
Thank you.
opportunity.
Thank you, Rashmi. Thank you for joining me. Thank you, viewers, for watching this video. Do share, like, and subscribe. Tales of Love. Bye.
Bye.